Namaste to all students. Myself Javin Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about Ramachandran plot. What is Ramachandran plot and who gave the Ramachandran plot? What is the uses of Ramachandran plot? So Ramachandran plot was given by the scientist who is whose name is Professor G.N. Ramachandran, and he was the one of the greatest scientists of India has produced during 20th century. During his research career spanning through 4 decades, he has been contributed immensely in different fields of science, ranging from crystal optics to bipolar polymer conformation to image reconstruction. And Ramachandran plot is basically to visualize the backbone of amino acids residue in proteins. First of all, it was used in 1963 for the collagen, and it is used for structural validation and to calculate the possible phi and psi angles that accounts for the amino acid residues. It was done by nowadays it is done by several softwares, namely what if Ramachandran plot. There are many softwares related to Ramachandran plot like Mo Probity, Saves, Sting, PyMol, VMD, VCheck, UCSF, Chimera, Cyrus, Swiss PDV, Viewer, Talos, GeoS Molecular Viewer, and ProCheck. We have to discuss about the Ramachandran plot axis. So if we talk about the horizontal axis, it will be psi value, and for vertical axis, it will be pi value, and dot on the plots are the angle for amino acids. Counting will be from minus 180 to plus 180 horizontal and vertical axis at both. And if it allows allowed and low energy regions, so the regions on the plot with the highest density of the dots. If we talk about the steric cache, so steric clash is additional interaction basically to stabilize such structures. They may have functional significance and may be conserved within a protein family. The distribution of phi and psi angles for a total of 9156 amino acid residues from 4413 protein chains. It is known as the crystallographic data. Two areas where the density of points are high, around phi minus 60 and psi minus 60. It is well known data for alpha helix, and around phi minus 90 and psi 120 is for beta structure. Now come to the applications of Ramachandran plot. So basically it has the value for validation of protein structures like highly anomalous phi and psi value. Assume that a mistake might be occurred in the determination of the positions of atom. Second application is improvement of structure determination methods by animal spectroscopy. Next one is assessing side chain effects on the protein backbone. So these are the significance of Ramachandran plot, and this session is now sum up, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.